Hello folks, welcome back. Beautiful day here in southern Alberta. All the snow we had is melted. It's gone, completely gone. Lots of water and lots of ice. Very slippery. Yeah, very slippery. I moved the snowmobile the other day when we had snow, and lucky I moved it out back because now it's completely gone. Just patches left. It'll be gone next couple days. Plus 14 today. It was plus 11 yesterday. Well, my driveway's pure ice. I salted this morning. It's starting to melt off a little bit. Might have it salted again here in a little bit. But picked up this charger the other day too off Amazon. It's a good little charger. Charge my quad up. I picked it up on Friday, or I ordered it on Friday on Amazon, and it got here on Sunday. It has the LED display. Yeah. Nice little charger. Shows the percentage of it, and she's at 100% now. That's awesome. And yeah, I picked up, I went in town today and I picked up these here mirrors. I picked up some truck mirrors for my truck. Got them off Amazon. $128 for boat mirrors, and they were just manual mirrors because my truck is just manual, no power, anything. So I just got picked up manual mirrors for her. Works fine. They don't need no power. Maybe in my next truck I will, but anyway, I took these off. They weren't too bad taking off. There's a couple bolts. I had to put in that plastic piece, the rubber piece, and then bolt her back on. Take you out and show you my truck. I put the mirrors on. Here's my mirrors. Looks way better, eh? Before I had the other mirrors on. But these are way more better. Now I can see. Before I had the other ones on and going down the road, and I could barely see around the corners what's on the side of me and everything, so it was just bad. So I had to get these mirrors. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I tried to get them around here in southern Alberta. Like, I put out an ad looking for them, and just too expensive. People wanting too much for the mirrors. And then I try to get to a scrapyard, but I have no time to get to a scrapyard to see if there's any in there. It's probably be all picked over anyway, but anyway, I just went with these. These are good. These are brand new now, and when I go to sell the truck, I'll probably take them off and resell them. So, or get another truck like it, but yeah. It's very, see, the snow is starting to melt here, the ice. That's good. It'll be gone in a couple of days. You go walking on it now. You can almost go through it. I did put some salt on here this morning. Salted the whole driveway. See, lots of water around my yard. Skidoo track. This was all pure ice this morning. and I put salt on. Now look at it, it's starting to melt right through. You can see the pavement, so that's good. Yeah, and the mirrors do look good on the old truck, way better than what it was on there before. It's perfect. I take you around the yard, do a little tour, see if I can find any parts on my snowmobile around here. I don't know. See if anything's missing. Yeah. I don't want to take my quad out too much because not around the yard. It'll just tear up everything and get it all muddy and tear up the grass, and then it'll be just a pure mess in the summertime. So, and in the spring also. So, I want everything to grow back here so I can mow it. Nice grass back here in the summertime. Very windy out today. It's supposed to be, I don't know if I said it was supposed to be 14 degrees, which is good. Nice weather here in southern Alberta. Beautiful weather. Lots of water, eh? Yeah, beautiful. Very nice out. A little windy, but very nice. Yeah, it's supposed to stay pretty warm like this for the next couple weeks actually. Then it's supposed to get to minus 5, minus 10 again in a couple weeks. That's my neighbor's back here. Has a whole bunch of junk vehicles. On the back field here, this is my yard. Goes all the way over here and all the way over there, where the screw track goes. Yeah, I'm just out today, tour around the yard, see what I can see. Snow's melting nice. You can hear the rooster. Yeah, one of these days here, I want to be able to build a big old garage right here. One that's has a big door on it so I can put my truck camper in and my motor home and have a lift in there. I definitely got lots of room. Be a good spot right there. And back to field, and then you have all this way up there, right? So have a nice road coming in. That's what I want to do here. That's my plan here in the next year or two, hopefully. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, that's my plans. It's like I don't know if that's deer poop. Deer poop or rabbit. I think it's deer. Neighbor has horses. Must be all the way in the back right now. Well, I didn't find any stone mill parts anyway. That's a good sign. I don't think there's anything missing off the stone mill, but I just want to check it out in the spring. When the weather's warm like this, always a good time. Check it out. I had the chickens and the rooster out earlier, but they like to go over to the neighbors all the time and hop the fence, and then there's a bitch of a time to get them in. So I put them back in their pen. They love being out, that's for sure. All the nutrients and the water in the ground, instead of being locked up in minus 40, minus 50 is what we had there earlier in a couple videos. So. What do you want, girls? Henry, what are you doing? Yeah, I got 5 roosters, or 5 chickens, I meant, and 1 rooster. Probably going to get some more here now next year. Yeah, see how it goes. I'd like to get another bigger pen for them, so I don't have to bend in there and going in and getting eggs and stuff. It's just a hassle all the time. Well, we bring out all the table scraps all the time and feed them their table scraps, and they like that. So that old tarp needs to come down. I had it up for a wind barrier for them, but it just ripped to shreds, so it needs to come down. So I'll get in here one day and fix it all up, clean it up. The kids' toys are blowing all over the place, so I fix this up. Springtime, I'll clean it all up nice here. They're looking pretty nice here in the springtime. Everything's just too muddy right now. Lots of water around, so. It's my wood pile. Chopped up some wood the other day. And I sawed up some more over there. Added to the extra pile. Here's my Skidoo 503 Safari. Good little sled. Yeah, I see all the new stuff over there. Put it on. Yeah, definitely lots of ice here, right? Gotta watch where I'm stepping because I'll fall down. Anyways, yeah, I just want to show you that the mirrors that I put on, and then that charger for the quad I got. So yeah, I took those mirrors off. I'm gonna save those mirrors, so when I resell the truck, probably I'll put those mirrors back on, and then yeah, and then I could resell those other mirrors that I got off Amazon. Yeah, truck looks way more better with the mirrors on. I don't have a front bumper for it. I gotta get a bumper for it too. One of these days, a front bumper. I'm missing one. It was missing in the first place when I picked up the truck, but I never bothered to put one on, so I don't know. We'll see if I can pick one up here soon. Anyway. That's a bit it for the video, so just wanted to show you guys an update. Snow is mostly gone. It's just nothing but water now and pure ice, so it's just melting away, which is good. I don't mind. Motor home, hopefully I get that fixed up soon. I'm selling that too, so I don't need it. Just a nice day. It's supposed to be up to 14 degrees today. Yesterday was 11 degrees, but today it's supposed to be 14. Still a little bit cool in the air, but I don't know if it's reaching 14 degrees, but it sure is nice. See all this snow go. I don't miss it, that's for sure. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video, and hope you like it, and please subscribe or whatever. Hopefully I get some more videos to come. So anyways, take care, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye for now.